So in this video I will show you how you can write any brush pen alphabet letter. So first of all we will write just keep noticing our downstroke should be wider and the upper stroke should be lighter, like this, right? So downstroke should be always wider, and just lose the pen when you go for a upstroke, right? So we're writing just pray. We're writing upper stroke should be lighter always. Just pray. What we have written here, just pray. Yeah. So these are our pens. We are just losing out our pens, trying to do some coloring here to make it look better. Underline it, right? So it would look better with underlines, like this. Cover the cap. Now this is how you can practice any brush pen lettering. I'm currently using Camlin brush pens here, watercolor effect with ease of brush tip pen. It is really nice pen for brush pen lettering. So we will practice more and more. You will improve always.